Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for joining today. If this is your first time here guys, please do not forget, click the subscribe button down here and support the movement. Please make sure you turn on the notification bell so that when I post the next video, you will get this sound and you will be able to watch the video. Thank you so much. So I noticed something and this is a video for you. I just want to make this video so that you equally do what I do and of course make a living from there. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. Now, today's video, I want to talk about how you can make money with your mobile phone, all right? Just your mobile phone. If you have just a mobile phone with a very clear camera, you can make money from Cameroon, from Africa, from Nigeria, from Ghana, from Kenya, from South Africa, from any country, from India, Asia, Pakistan, anywhere around the world. You can make money. Now, I will focus on two social media platforms that you can do this and make a living from there. Of course, there are requirements you need to meet, so don't panic. I will bring all these details and I want to explain to you. Make sure you watch this video to the end. It is going to be a very simplified video, so please do not panic, do not go away, keep watching this video. These are some of the ways a lot of people make money. A lot of people drive cars, a lot of people build mansions, but you have to put in a lot of work. There is one thing I want to draw your attention to. If you must do what I'm telling you right now, first of all, decide that you want to do it. Secondly, put in a lot of hard work and consistency, and trust me, you are going to see results. This is not clickbait, all right? This is pure facts. I am a YouTuber, so I will be talking about 1, Facebook, 2, YouTube. But first, let's start with Facebook. Facebook is a platform a lot of students use. A lot of people use Facebook, even with iPhones. They don't know what to do on Facebook in order to make money. There are people that literally do things on this Facebook, and when they are sleeping, their Facebook account is making a lot of money for them, generating millions to them every month as revenue. So if you are new to all these things I'm talking about, please understand that you can use your Facebook page and you make money. First, you need a page, not a profile. Otherwise, you can still change a profile to a page, but for now, you need a Facebook page. So if you have a profile, go immediately as you watch this video and create a page. Point number 1, when you create the page, it doesn't matter. There are requirements for you to make money on a Facebook page. But remember, as a Cameroonian, you cannot make money on a Facebook page. You can make money only if you do two things, which I will explain to you. As a Cameroonian, as a Nigerian, I think there are those few countries, maybe South Africa, Morocco, and Egypt or Ethiopia or something like that. I don't remember, but these are the countries that can monetize a Facebook page, all right, in Africa. However, when that page has reached the stage of monetization, you can put somebody in a European country as an admin on that page, a trusted person you can trust, because when your page make money, all right, if you are located in Cameroon or in other African countries, you cannot see the money, but this person who is an admin in these countries who can monetize Facebook, all right, like Dubai, Turkey, USA, UK, Canada, all these countries can monetize Facebook. So if you get an admin in this country, the person will be able to sign up for you, all right? Then the person will be able to control and see how much you make on Facebook. Though you are the one posting and making the videos, but the person will be the one to see how much you make if you are found in an ineligible country. So get somebody you can trust, point number 1. Get somebody that will be truthful, point number 2, because there are cases people create Facebook pages and put people as admin. At the end of the day, those people that were put as admin remove the owners of the Facebook pages and claim their pages and eat from their sweat. Please don't make this error. Don't make this error. Again, remember, you don't put thieves on your Facebook page as admins. Make sure you know the person very well. Make sure you can trust the person and put the person. Make sure you are in good terms with people when they are controlling your Facebook pages. That is point number 1. If you are in an ineligible country like Cameroon and your page is eligible for monetization. Before last year, you needed just 10,000 followers on your Facebook page and you needed 60,000 watch minutes on your Facebook page in order to start monetizing any content you post on your page. There are 4 different ways you can make money on your page. The videos you can make on your page as live videos can generate revenue for you at the end of the month on your Facebook page. Then the posts you make on your page every month or every day can generate revenue for you on your Facebook page. And of course, people can subscribe to your page and you make money. People can give you stars on your Facebook page and you make money. And of course, people can give you, there are bonuses you can earn from your Facebook page. All right. There are 5 different ways you, or maybe even more, you can make money on your Facebook page. But these are the things you gain money from: in-stream ads on demand, subscription, bonuses, fan subscription, then live videos and videos you even post on your page. But again, like I said, if you're in Cameroon using just your phone, there are a lot of people I see on social media with pages, so they can make money. As soon as these pages reach 10,000 followers, 5,000 now, before it was 10,000, just 5,000 and you're good to go. All right. When you reach 5,000, make sure you follow the other things. There are 2 things you need to get on your Facebook. If you have a Facebook page and you are also a creator, make sure you have 2 things. 1, Facebook Meta, that is Facebook Business Suite. You need to have it. Facebook Business Suite. Go to Play Store and download it. Secondly, you need to have Creator Studios in your phone. Very important. Do not forget this. And for you to make money on Facebook, avoid harsh words, avoid things that will cause racism, avoid things that will bring disorder, avoid insulting people, avoid certain things. Don't talk about politics at all on your page if you want to make money from that page in future. That is Facebook. Let's go to the next app. This app I'm going to talk about, anywhere in the world you can make money on this app. Of course, when you are based in an ineligible country like Cameroon, when you are ready for monetization, how do you even go about this process of monetization? The app I'm talking about is YouTube. And for you to be monetized on YouTube, as of now, you need 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel and you need 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel. This is no joke, guys. 4,000 watch hours is no joke. And this is equivalent to 240,000 watch minutes. I want to guarantee you that if you are joking, you will never reach here. And when you are to be monetized, make sure your channel should gather all these watch minutes in the past 365 days. As soon as it elapses 365 days, any watch hours that comes in, you lose a certain proportion of the watch hours, and you need to reach 4,000 watch hours and gain 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Do not focus on subscribers, guys. I am a YouTuber. I am giving you this advice because I have been on YouTube for over 2 years now. Don't focus on subscribers. Pay attention to videos and make sure you generate watch hours. Now, when you gather all these eligible criteria, or when you have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, it is now time for you to take a laptop, sit down, go to your YouTube studio and sign into monetization. As a YouTuber, get YouTube Studio in your mobile phone or your laptop. That is where you are going to be following what is happening on your YouTube channel or any activity that happens on your YouTube channel. However, create engaging videos. It doesn't matter where you are in Cameroon. All you need is a mobile phone that is visible, that the camera is clear. Make sure you use natural lighting, very important. Take a phone, sit down, film yourself, educate people. I see a lot of Cameroonians, Nigerians, Africans, they are teachers in universities, they are teachers in school, they rely only on their salary. Why are you wasting? Get a phone. When you are lecturing, you put all this content on your phone, you edit it, you post on YouTube, you generate more videos, all right? Be consistent, and at the end of the year, before you know, you will be monetized. Last month, some few months back, I had 6 people on a masterclass on YouTube, and I will be taking another masterclass in June. All right, June or July, I shall announce that on my Facebook page. So please make sure you do what I'm telling you. If you are a teacher, you can sit down and teach people. You film yourself, you teach people. Those of you biology teachers in school, chemistry, physics teacher, business teachers, people who teach in higher institutions, you can sit down like me, you film yourself, you generate watch hours, and you are monetized. You monetize your channel. All right, it is very easy to go about this. I don't understand why you are cooking, you have a restaurant and you don't have a cooking channel. I don't understand that. I don't understand why you are a teacher, you don't have a teaching channel. I don't understand. Is it time? What is it? I really don't understand. So if you are in Cameroon, you put in the time, you put in the effort, you put in the energy, you are going to monetize your YouTube channel. Of course, when you are about to be monetized, when you reach 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you want to monetize your channel. You now go in and sit down and fill in the monetization rules. Make sure there is another thing before you link your YouTube account, before you are monetized, you need what is called Google AdSense. You need to create a Google AdSense account and of course link the Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel before you can be able to receive salary from YouTube when you are monetized. YouTube pays every month, and every month, I mean on the 21st of every month, YouTubers get paid. And for Cameroonians, if you are in Cameroon, as I know, until you reach the threshold of 70 euros when you are monetized before you can retrieve the money, all right, before YouTube can send the money to you. And again, you need a bank account in Cameroon, in a bank, not a credit union or not a microfinance, in a bank, to link that to your Google AdSense account when you are monetized. You can read more, like I said. If you need the masterclass, then June will be a good time for us to start. I shall organize everything and bring the details to you again. But remember, if you have just a mobile phone, you can create a YouTube channel in Cameroon and monetize it. You would control the account yourself. You would be controlling your own YouTube channel. Nobody in any country can control it for you. But for your Facebook, somebody in another country needs to be controlling it for you. All right, so which one do you prefer? Put more time on YouTube and monetize your YouTube channel. And when you are monetized, this is my advice for you. You equally start a Facebook page, because there is a lot of work. You must be consistent. You must be. This is no joke. You must be consistent, guys. I'm not joking about this. Now, this is the end of the video. Remember, these are the easiest platforms you can quickly make money from in Cameroon. But YouTube, you can make money in Cameroon. Facebook, you have to bring someone as an admin on your page. This is the point you can make money. Bring someone as an admin on your page, and the person will monetize the page for you. Another option you can use is use VPN, but I can never advise you to use a VPN to monetize your Facebook, because as soon as Facebook notices that, you are off. Again, another thing is some people are saying that if you use someone in an ineligible country, as soon as Facebook discover, it's a problem. But I don't think so, all right? Because there are a lot of people in Nigeria who are content creators. How do these people make money on Facebook? Of course, they cannot be monetized. People are saying Nigeria is eligible. I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. Well, let's pray that Uncle Mark would help us bring monetization to our own countries in some in some years to come. If you put effort on these things, I'm telling you, if you create engaging content, if you create content that people interact, trust me, before you know, maybe if you were broke, in 2 years' time, you will not be broke again. I am telling you, I am a YouTuber. Ask big YouTubers, they will tell you what they generate from YouTube every month, and Facebook. Not to talk of Facebook. Facebook pays like crazy, guys. So please put in the effort and make sure you are one of the content creators around. Before you know, you may change the status of your family. You never can tell. Till we meet again in another one.